Much for joining us here. I'm Mike Gillespie.
And I'm Leslie Adamy. At the top tonight, we are hearing from a former city employee and his attorney who have now filed a civil lawsuit against the city of Corpus Christi alleging age discrimination. That collective action complaint was filed this week in federal court. Our Bill Churchwell has been following this story for us, and he joins us now with details in tonight's top story. Bill, what have you found out?
The lawsuit was filed on behalf of 47-year-old Rudy Bentancourt, who claims the city did not pay him his full unused sick time when he retired back in February. He believes there could be others this happened to. After nearly 20 years with the city, Rudy Bentancourt, who was the director of housing and community development, made the decision in February to leave his position. The lawsuit filed in federal court states Bentancourt had just over 528 hours of unused sick time saved up that he was planning to cash out when he left.
The ordinance basically said you get 100% of your time up to a certain amount, up to 700 and something hours.
I spoke with Bentancourt by phone, who said when he notified the city, he claims they told him he would only be able to receive half, which equates to about $15,000, he says he still owed.
It felt really just unjust because, that was time that I earned.
The ordinance in question is Chapter 39, Article 3, that reads in part that an employee will be eligible for payment of up to 720 hours of accumulated sick leave credit. Without any resolution, Bentancourt turned to attorney Christopher Gell and the Gell Law Firm.
Occasionally gotten calls from people that were concerned kind of in which the manner they were retiring and being treated.
In the complaint, Bentancourt was advised that his payout for sick leave is, quote, the way the ordinance has always been interpreted.
If you read the ordinance, it seems pretty clear that he's able to bank it, and then when he retires, or in several instances, way you retire, that you're able to be compensated for those hours that you otherwise didn't utilize.
Gill says after notifying the city about those concerns, city staff went back and changed the wording of that ordinance. We found that discussion in this archive video from August when it was brought before council.
Basically a cleanup ordinance to help clarify the language of sick leave as it states upon termination. Over a period of 10 years, there was different add-ons and things that kind of jumbled up the language. So our goal is to clarify for people who retire.
All in favor say aye.
Aye.
A closer look at the amendment shows the city added the wording at the rate of 50%.
It begs the question, why did you change it if you thought it was so clear? It wasn't.
Gill believes there could be a significant amount of retirees who may have been impacted, upwards of 40 to 50 people.
Although we tried to sort of remedy this before having to file the lawsuit, it just doesn't seem they're too interested in that.
I reached out to the city for a comment and received this statement, quote, the Texas State Bar Rules of Ethics generally prohibits attorneys from commenting on pending litigation. Bill Churchwell, 3 News.